Taking the state's Board of Elections to court, the NCGOP accusing the agency of not providing election information in a timely manner. This involves the race for the North Carolina Supreme Court. It is a razor-tight race between Republican Jefferson Griffin and Democrat Allison Riggs. Look at your screen here. According to the state's election result website, Riggs is up by just 70 votes, more than 5.5 million votes cast in all. The NCGOP is looking to get all the information and data from the Board of Elections that the party claims it has failed to release. A woman vying to represent parts of Mecklenburg County requesting a recount in her race. This is for Senate District 42. It encompasses Mint Hill, east of Charlotte, down past Matthews, ending near the Providence Plantation neighborhood in South Charlotte. Stacy McGinn is requesting the recount. Right now, Woodson Bradley leads that race, which is 204 votes separating those two. Charlotte leaders are working